What's good? What's good? What's good? All right. A little bit better right there. All right. What we looking at today, man? All right. So we are bullish on NQ and ES. Um, I want to see if the dollar can come out and take these equal lows. Lowest 107.739. 107.739. So I want to see our pricing come down here on the dollar. All right. Let's break down today real quick. So we got the new day that started here. Open 869 flat. Midnight open there. And 8:30 open there. We got 9:30 there. Let's do it till 11:30. So we took out the buy side at during the overnight session. This was the London high, right? London high. Are we inside anything important? Okay, not really. Not really, not really. Weekly. Oh yeah, okay. Midnight open. We already took out the previous day high here. Inside this inefficiency here on the 4 hour. Trade inside this. I'm still bullish for the most part, but we got that there. All right. We got this huge candle at 9:31. Price presentation fair value gap right here. And now we created it at 9:31. 9:30, 9:31. It was created. Middle line there. Right. Respect the upper quadrant of that gap. Let me see something really quick. Yesterday in my live stream, I talked about we were about where were we at in price? We were about around this area because I traded the PM session yesterday, and I said that these new week opening gaps act as magnets, and we were around this area, and I said price may wanna. We've been we've been going we've been buying all through this new week opening gap, through this one, through this one, through this one, and through this one. We came up to this one, and I did mention, I was like, price may want to target to this one as a draw on liquidity. We do have this swing high over here. Price did so now we have this one here, and we have this high here and this high. So price may want to get there. Just gotta wait and see. A retracement can happen. We did just take out this swing high here, and we tapped into a 4-hour inefficiency. So a retracement can happen. It just depends on how deep it wants to retrace. But I am still bullish for the most part, based on a higher time frame. What do we do on ES? ES, we took out this swing high here. On NQ, we couldn't even get to it just yet. We couldn't even get to it yet. So we got the buy side here on the 4-hour. That's a good draw on liquidity. On 11.25. The buy side there. ES, we already took it out. I want to see what ES is doing. So on ES, we have on the 1 hour on ES, we have this order block here, and we have this inefficiency here. So I want to see if price can trade into this. Maybe we create like some type of reversal and go lower. I was from yesterday. We focused on today only. So 9:30 open in there. Okay. Do we have huge new week opening gap? I mean, opening range gap. Midpoint of that is the high of that is at 5.8. Got it right on the dot. No way. Opening range gap. Consequent encroachment. There. We got this huge opening range gap. 9:30 to 10 o'clock. We got about 10 minutes. So usually price will come back to this area before the 10 o'clock, by the 10 o'clock hour. So you're gonna see if that happens today. If not, we move on. I do see this right here. We do got this here. So price may use that as a that's from you got this volume imbalance right here. So let's see what price wants to reach for. Do we keep expanding? Took out the initial sell side here. Let me mark that out. Took out the initial sell side. I mean buy side, my bad. Macro just started, so let's see what we hunt for, what price runs for, liquidities or an inefficiency. 10, 10. Right. Looking at the lower time frame, 7 a.m. here. We already took out this high here, right? Took out that high. $7 o'clock. We have this run here. 15 minute. Did it come into something? Order block here. Respected it here. Yeah, respected it there. Okay. Looks like the macro is going to send it higher. If there any, let me see. Do something here. This is the candle. We got this wick right here. This weekly wick. I want to see how price uses it. We traded above the midpoint of this wick. Okay. So the draw is higher. I personally believe, I think, let's see how this 1 hour candle closes. But me personally, I believe that we could at least get to, go to the 1 hour. I think we can get here maybe. There ain't no news today or nothing, so price may just deliver straightforward, might get right to the point. So we got this high here. This high is cool too. I'll use go to the 15 minute. 706.25 around the dot. This looks like a good draw, right? $4. 4 minutes left, and we failed to get to the opening range gap. Consequent encroachment right there. So usually within this time window, 9:30 to 10 o'clock, there's a 70% chance that we get here every single day. 70% chance every day. It didn't happen today, so just gonna wait and see. Do we deliver during the macro, or do we continue to? I'll get rid of. Matter of fact, do this. Get rid of that now. 'Trying to get it clean. What's this here? What is that? Oh, the buy side we just swept. There. Got the higher time frame. Minute, 15-minute. The only thing about taking this trade, I feel like, would be if we were to like close up here and have a retracement. We would retrace into this, but it's like I would have to look for my model on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute. I wouldn't just enter strictly off this. This may be a good signal to go long though. But we did push up. We pushed up a lot. Not too much though. Coming into the new day, we did have this little rally higher. We are above the midnight and 8:30 opening price, so I really want to be selling above these two price points, but the higher time frame is extremely bullish. It just looks bullish, so I'm gonna just follow the order flow of the higher time frame for the most part. That is what I'll do. Kind of got these equal. I'm looking now. Yeah, we got a bunch of liquidity resting below here. Kind of got equal lows here. This low and this low. With these lows and that low, kind of equal. One of them days, man. Let's see what happens. That's displacement right there. That's what you call displacement. Sheesh. You got this 5 minute. Get rid of this. Not yet, not yet. I want to see how price uses this inefficiency. This looks like a good trade right here. Maybe, right? 1 hour. New 1 hour candle just started. I'm gonna just go short here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go short there and let's see if we can with this displacement, let's see if we can go lower. At least trade back into at least the first prezi or even this inefficiency here. So go to the 1 minute. We do have the rejections here. Stay in the upper quadrant of this gap, so this could be a risky trade, but let's just see if we can get the high of this reversal if we're gonna reverse. It's 10 o'clock, 10:04. Let me see what ES is doing. ES tapped all the way into this though. So let's see if this works out. You got this little inefficiency here on the 1 minute, as you can see. You got that there. So let's see if price can use that and go lower. I took my entry best off the 30-second off this inefficiency here. So let's see what we can do. If we can get a decent drop out of this. Let's see if price can maybe if I go to the 1 minute, my entry was right there at that candle. Short position here, stop loss there. Right, my stop loss is there. See if we can get the reversal. Or do we just run through this? Kind of got this displacement there, but Dang, I don't want to really see this happening. Um, Looking at the 15-second, kind of respecting. I mean, dang, bro. Can't trade against the higher time frame, bro. This is exactly why. This is exactly why you don't trade against the higher time frame. Man, but this looked good though. This looked good. It looked like we could get a retracement, so I'll accept that, bro. I'll have to accept that. Look how he closed. He closed above the gap. I may just cut it short if he closed above it. I really don't want to see that happening. I may just have to cut it short.
Order filled.
I'll cut it short. Just take that. I don't want to see price trade above where I entered at. So that's dumb as fuck. Download this. Entry was off the 30-second. I closed entry here. Just Handy, how you doing, bro? What's good, my boy? I just took a trade, traded against the higher time frame, but I closed it once I seen price. There's no point in me taking full size losses for the most part. I'm down 104, so we gonna see. That's not bad. Close entry here. All right, I closed it where? At 228. 228.25. So I closed it right there. Yeah. Yep, right on the dot. So I closed it there. That's just the warm up right there. So download that. Get rid of that. Now I'm gonna wait. Just gotta wait a little bit. I was hoping I can catch the reversal or any type of retracement, but looks like we're extremely bullish for the most part, so I'll just have to wait it out. We still didn't hit stop loss, so I wonder if that was protected. Did I close that prematurely? We gonna see. Took any trades yet, Biggs, bro? What could we be reaching for on ES? Probably this order block. You could be reaching for that order block, right? The low of is at 28 flat. Okay, I'm liking this. Okay. ES is pushing up. Let's see if we can create a fair value gap here. Let me see. That's how it be. Already looking like a no trade day for me unless we take out some sell. So I'm extra bullish. I feel you, bro. If you look at the overnight session, we may not even need to. Let's wait and see though. You're gonna be patient. Initial buy side taken. I'll go to the 30-second, even a 15-second. They offer any type of move. I mean, we tap back into this fair value gap there, pushed up there. Okay. This looked nice though. That looked like a nice sell model right here. That looks super nice after taking all the liquidity to the left. Just a quick retracement. That's nice, but what is the dollar doing? The dollar has to come back up to this, so I want to see the dollar take out these lows first, take out these equal lows, and then trade back into this. Because if this is going to go higher, right, that means at some point NQ has to come lower. So I'll be waiting for that move to happen too. Let's see. Swept the initial buy side there. Let's see how we treat this inversion. I mean this fair value gap here. Do we trade higher from it or do we use it as an inversion and trade lower? So I wouldn't buy that. Look at the wick. The wick did the damage. So the candle is just telling us we're still okay. Crazy work. We're extremely bullish right now, bro. That's what it's looking like. And I don't mind. After seeing this happen, that's crazy. That's crazy. If I were to long that, try that out there. 18. Nah. Yes, I already did this retracement lower. NQ already kind of doing this thing. How far can it go though? We got the order block. I want to see if price will react from that. All right, let me see if the 30-second can offer me something. We can get a decent. Oh, this is that 1 hour candle. Oh, so we kind of already had this huge push to the downside. Um,
Order filled.
I'm gonna just go along there. Um, I wonder if ES touches this, will we reverse? Will we have like some type of significant drop lower? But on in Q we don't have anything, so I wonder will we drop here? Look at the 30-second, what's going on? Consolidating around this area. We got this low here. Let me see what the 15-second. 15-second, changing the state of delivery there. But we tap back into it there. Okay. This is kind of a risky trade, but if we bullish like we think we are, then we should hold up a little bit. Got the order block as well here. I'm watching the mean threshold of the order block as well. So this the mean threshold is there. So if price gets to this area, I kind of don't want it to come here, but if it does, then I'll probably have to close and just wait for something better. Already 1019, 1019, 30-second. Are we? Oh, look at that. We had to change in the state of delivery there. There on the 15-second. I think this will hold up. I think that will hold up. Yeah, it did hold up. I just let it hit it.
Order filled.
All right. So this was the short for the most part. That's what it's looking like. Price came exactly for my my stop loss, so that's not what we want to see. Let me download this. Down 233 for the day, so wait. Not gonna lie, I made short in here. So I think price will go lower. We tapped into it, but barely.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If it doesn't play out, then that'll be it, man. I am bullish on the higher time frame. I kind of only want to be trading with the higher time frame, but it's looking like they won't even allow for us to. They won't use us to set up, you know. So, yo, what's good? What's good, Sadiq, bro? What's good, fam? So, just a little scalp. Not trying to overstay my welcome. Just trying to take what I can take, and you feel me. Hopefully we can reverse. Hopefully we can have a decent drop today, bro. I am bullish, so we should have some type of retracement. We did have all from even coming from yesterday, right? So let's see if Wednesday can make the high of the week. Let's see if this can be the high of the week, right? That'd be nice if that could happen, but we struggling to deliver lower. Dang, man. Not looking too good, bro. It's not looking too good, man. This is not what I want to see. I don't want to see price just. This could be a turtle soup though, but let's see. I don't want to see a crazy break below that. Like that. All right, I want to see a crazy break below. All right, we tapped into this inefficiency on the 5 minute, right? I want it to stay heavy. Midpoint, midline. I want us to stay heavy here, right? Okay. Look at that reaction. Let's see if the 15 seconds looking good. So 15 seconds looking good, but this ain't looking too good. We stay in the upper quadrant of that gap. That's not really what I want to see happen. Let's see if we can fall from this area, break below this low. So we already had to change in the step delivery, but we tapped into this inefficiency on the 5 minute. So stop will go there. 30 seconds or anything? Nope. So we just trading out of this. Can't catch the reversal. Looked good, looked good. Reversal looked good, but we couldn't partake in it. Looks like 1, 2. We kind of are respecting it a little bit. Let's see what we do with this candle here. Do we respect it and go higher, or do we trade lower? Use it as an inversion.
Order filled.
None of these setups look like they want to play through, so to be honest, I already lost 350. I do got to patch this account by January 28th, so I don't really care for the amount of trades I take on the actual eval, but I do want to catch some good. I do want to catch something good though, but looking like it won't even give us a setup today. May just call it a day and wait till tomorrow, Friday. There ain't nothing. There's nothing I see right now. Nothing at all. There's nothing I see. Good of that. I see nothing. One thing that looks valid is a buy for the most part, but like, kind of don't want to be buying from that area. Just yet at least. 30-second. Where's this new week opening gap at? Let me see. There. Will that yield enough for a potential move? Run higher? Not enough? Yeah, that would be. That's not bad. Take a little scalp. 15-second. We trade into it there. Don't put time on? What do you mean don't put time on? I feel like I was right on the sales though, low key, on the slick. Cause the ES. I feel like I was right. Yeah, you're gonna see though. You tap back into it once more. I did think about entering right there. When you say you would pass. When you say you will pass that time, you put more. When I say I will pass, catch a quick little scalp, right? That would be decent. Reach for those. I do think we can get there for sure.
Order filled.
Stop will go here. May put it here just in case.
Order filled.
And then hopefully price can get to this area here. This would be nice if we could just expand there. That is a, what is it? 1 hour. Let me go on to 1 hour. When you say you will pass, that time, you put more. Oh, okay. I kind of get what you're saying. Where's the high at? I want to see price. Let's see what price does here. You should respect this candle. Pressure. Oh yeah, put more pressure on me. Yeah, you're right. That definitely you are definitely right about that, bro. It's definitely way more pressure. Um, I agree with you 100% on that. I'm looking like one of them days today, man. I'm getting kind of ate up. Price should. Let's see if price stays strong from there, from this area. I look, you want to add one more. I want to add one more low key. Let's see how price hangs up. Stops below this low here. So let's see. You got this 15-minute. Where's my stop at? My stop is here. I wonder is that enough? Let me see.
Order filled.
All right, I added one more. I want to add more, but I already lost 352 for the day, so. There ain't no news today. Let's see if price so we actually did hold up off this order block here. Let's see if we can create a gap, and I can add one more. I want a pyramid. If we're gonna take out this high, I kind of want a pyramid a little bit. Add more positions. I want to, so. Let's see. ES just tapped that order block on the 4 hour. We just tapped into it there a little bit, right? The low is at 628.0. The high is that is at. That's the high right on the dot. So we touched it on the dot. I want to see ES hold into this. This is kind of like a shallow run above this, so I think price can come back above that. Take some off the weekly gap. Here? Okay. I get what you're saying. Yeah, we may get there in reverse. Have some type of reversal. Or we can get there and use it as a support and take out the high. I picked the wrong time to buy a Topstep account. Low key. I picked the wrong time to buy one. But it's good though. We straight. Did we tap into that gap there? Dang, I should have added one when I seen that. I wasn't looking. Let's see if we tap into it one more time. Let me go to the 30-second. Order block there. Order block here. Yeah, it's good though. We did not hit it yet, but it's close. Yeah, okay. Oh my God. Look at that candle. It's because it is though.
Order filled.
Let's see, man. Let's see. We did tap it here, but like I said, I think we still can come. We can still trade a little higher. I don't think we just drop right off the first reaction. We could, but only one reaction from it. I don't think so just yet. What I need to do is I need to write on my whiteboard, follow the higher time frame. Stop trying to trade against the higher time frame. Trying to find little scalps and stuff like that. Nah. Those are unnecessary losses. I feel like I take for no reason. We got this gap here. Let's see if we close above it. Me personally, bro, today is a Wednesday. I think that we could continue to just push higher, like for the for most of the day. Maybe if we can break past this, I think we can continue to push higher. We continue to push a little bit, and then tomorrow there may be like some type of reversal, or on Friday. But I say we continue to stay strong. I would want that to happen, but 2204,650 weekly gap low. Okay, so we about right there. Okay. There's like a displacement below this low, then I'll have to close and just call it a day, bro. I'm in the stream after that though, for sure. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Let's see what the macro wants to do, bro. Macro comes in at in 3 minutes. So let's see what the macro wants to do, bro. Like, hopefully when the macro start, we just expand higher. It wouldn't even take much to get to this point. It wouldn't even take much. But let's see. 2 minutes left. It'd be nice if we can just run through that. That'd be amazing, bro. No cap. Come on, ES. Fuck with me, bro. Fuck with me. I'm trading with the higher time frame now, man. Fuck with me. Come on, ES. Two minutes left. A lot of orders here. I know a lot of people seeing this right now. Not saying that you can't make money doing this or these people selling right here aren't wrong, but a lot of people see this right here and they're selling. They see this and they're selling. And that's just facts. Support and resistance traders, they see this on NQ. They probably looking at NASDAQ though. They probably looking at it from NASDAQ and they see this right here and they think we're selling. They might even use this, incorporate these highs and think, oh, this is support. You know what I mean? So let's see if we can take their stops. $10.50. So let's see, man. Macro sent it lower. Macro sent it lower. Yeah, macro sent it lower. No, right here, if you create a fair value gap, this wouldn't be a bad trade. Yeah, macro sent it lower. The reversal happened. It's 11 o'clock. Looks like we may have the reversal here. I took too many trades though for me to sell this, I feel like. Yeah, I took too many trades. This is annoying, bro. Macro, I can't believe the macro sent is lower, bro.
Order filled.
Alright, man. That'll be it for me, bro. Took 3 trades. Just don't like it. Just don't like it, man. This is a displacement right here, though. This is a good displacement. This is a good. I feel like that could be a good This is annoying. So this didn't hold. Yes, it's. I wonder if this was just a run on stops. Let's see how we treat this one. This could just be a run on stop to take price higher. Uh, I wonder if we break below this low with a displacement and make a fair value gap, I may. I'm looking at this and realistically, bro, like even though I was on a 30-second and a 15-second, you can find moves inside that, like low scalp moves. But if I'm looking at this realistically, like there is kind of like no trade, bro. I mean, the 30-second did have, you know, fair value gaps to support this push higher. So, I mean, the little tiny moves, but like that wasn't actually like a real move. I feel like now, I feel like this is like a real move. So it looks like we're respecting that gap. Let's see what happens here. Breakaway gap here. Macro. Then macro ran against me. Got the breakaway gap here. Hang in there, champ. Better days coming your way. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah. We'll be alright. My precision today probably wasn't the best. That's probably all it is. I think we run. Let me look at ES. Yeah, I was gonna say I think we run through this. 1 30-second looking like. $5-second. Quick scalp here. 5-second. We didn't even get to the new week opening gap. Oh man, bro. Lost 626 for the day. I gotta get this pass. Okay, that's looking kind of nice right there. All right, let's see if we can create a fair value gap. Let's see if we can create a fair value gap, trade back into it, and we can target something lower. If price does that, this wouldn't be bad coming in to rebalance this whole entire wick. This is a gap on a higher time frame for the most part. Wicks are gaps, so let's see if we can come rebalance this area, maybe take the low or even pick out the lows from 930 since we failed to go higher. So let's see if price creates a gap here. Breakaway gap right there. We probably won't get there though. I don't. 30 seconds. Let me look at the 30 second. Got a lot of gaps there. Let's see if we can reach for it. We may not be able to though. We got the sweep. We got the buy side sweep here. Change the state of delivery there. We're really here with this candle with these three. We have it here. Changing the state of delivery. Traded up, failed to break that high. We displaced lower past the swing low. Fair value gap, breakaway gap. Dang, it won't even give me a signal to enter lower from this. Dang. ES kind of had a good move too. I rarely trade ES though. The PA was dog water today. It was, bro. It was. This might be another breakaway gap. Yeah, figured it was. Figured it would be. We didn't even trade back into this one. We left this one open on ES. Yeah, so let's wait and see. We may not need to trade into this one. Let's wait though. 2 seconds. Okay, we may stab into it. Let me see. Let's see if we can get like a little poke into it. Oh my God! Look at this one wick. We holding up strong off this 5 minute, man. We holding up too strong. Too strong, bro. That's the reaction I want to see right there.
Order filled.
If this one gets hit, bro, look at this is clear. This is clear bearish momentum. This is clear bearish order flow. So if this gets hit, we already traded into this inefficiency once, 2, 3, 4. We traded into a hell of time. So I want to see it get violated. Don't want to see this traded back into. Hopefully this is gonna hold. This is annoying, bro. It's cool though, bro.
Order filled.
I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. Let me go ahead and just log out. Call it a day, bro. Tried the buys didn't work. Tried the shorts didn't work. Like, now we're gonna come back up and attack the highs. It's like, bro. I'm trying to think. Today was today's only Wednesday, so we good. We got time. We got tomorrow and we got Friday. I can't believe this though. Like, look at all this. Look at this. This shit crazy, bro. We came here once. We came here twice. We came here 3 times. We came to this area 3 times, bro. 3 times. Like, that shit is crazy, bro. I did switch my bias a few times though, so like that's probably kind of affected my decision making a little bit, but I feel like everything made sense. All right, it's the Top Step account right here. I was up. My high was 830. I've been trading the micros though. I probably. But my highest was 830. I'm back down though. I'm back down. I'm back at 50K. So I mean, I can make 3K in like 3 days, 2 days realistically, bro. I know I can. That's not. That's not. That's not hard at all. It's just the market has to. It can't do this. It needs to be like straightforward. You know what I mean? It needs to be like we come back here, right? We come back one, two, three, trade out of it again. Now you back at it again. Like that's not what we kind of. Not what I want to see. If I'm coming into this in the future, right? If I'm coming into this, right? Let's just say tomorrow or the day after, and we have something like this. Realistically, bro, it's looking like the only trade was at like it was at 9:30. So at the 9:30 open, this was the only trade for the most part. The only decent trade, like high probability for the most part. After 10 o'clock hours here. Check that 1 hour candle. This was the 10 o'clock candle right here, the black candle. Then ES giving out false accusations, like we traded from this SIBI here, we went lower. Traded back into it again, we went lower. I personally believe that price would want to rebalance this whole entire inefficiency here, this wick. So go for 1 or 2. My entry probably should have been here. Go for 1 or 2. But like, what's the point of like? I mean, I know trading is. I know this shit is like completely random, right? But like, you see, we broke lower here. We made the fair value gap after this candle closed. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bro, we had 7 opportunities to trade into this. We come back down here. If we trade back into it, like that's not good delivery. That's not that. I feel that came through. Support your boy. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, man. I ain't trying to stay on the charts for too long. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I ain't trying to stay on the charts for too long, man. Took too many. We took too many L's today, bro. Couldn't get on the right side of the market. I'm looking at this realistically. There wasn't really any trades to take, so this was my fault. I didn't have to press the button. Didn't have to, but I did anyway. Trying to scalp on like an advanced type level.